overhaul an air start valve. Loosen the screws and take off the top cover. Loosen the 2 screws which hold the piston to the spindle. As the screws are loosened, piston comes out of the housing due to spring force. Remove the piston from the valve housing. Take out the spindle from the bottom of valve housing. Remove spring from the top of valve housing. Remove the O-ring. Clean valve housing and all the components with superior kerosene. Lap the valve seat and the valve spindle using a fine grinding paste. Clean the valve seat and spindle. Lubricate all the internal parts and sliding surfaces. Insert the spindle from the bottom into the housing. Mount the spring around the spindle from the top. Place the piston on top of the spindle. Fit the discs and tighten the 2 screws. As the screws are tightened, the piston moves down, compressing the spring. Tighten the screws up to the prescribed torque. Mount the top cover. Fit a new O-ring on the valve housing.
If you find the information useful, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.